In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename columns and tables in Tableau in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Tableau or simply need a quick refresher, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in, shall we? First, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. If you haven't got it open already, head over there now. Once you've got it up and running, access your worksheet by opening an existing one or creating a new one. Now with your worksheet open, take a look at the data pane, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. This is where all your fields or columns are listed. Now find the specific field you wish to rename. It might be helpful to scroll through slowly to spot the exact one you're after. When you've found the right field, right-click on it and select Rename from the drop-down menu that appears. It's quite straightforward and user-friendly. Once you've clicked on Rename, go ahead and type in the new name you want for this field. Make sure it's clear and descriptive, then press Enter. Renaming the field this way updates it globally across your entire Tableau workbook, so every visual or sheet that uses this field will now display the updated name. For those who love keyboard shortcuts, here's a quicker way to rename your fields. Go back to your data pane and select the field you want to update. Now instead of right-clicking, press the F2 key on your keyboard. Again, type in the new name, make sure it's exactly the way you want it, and hit Enter. This is a fantastic tip if you're renaming multiple fields, as it speeds up the process significantly. Moving on, let's talk about renaming tables. Head to the data source page in your Tableau workbook. This is where you can view your data model, and all the tables associated with your project are displayed. Locate the table that you wish to rename. You might have a lot of different tables, so take your time. Once you've identified the table you want to update, double-click on its name. This action will allow you to edit the name directly. Alternatively, you can right-click on the table and select Rename from the options that pop up. After that, type in the new name for your table and press Enter. This change is made at the data source level, meaning it will affect all worksheets linked to this source. And there you have it. We've covered how to rename both columns and tables in Tableau, ensuring they fit your data presentation needs perfectly. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they make your work with data within Tableau just a little bit smoother. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a quick reminder on the process. Thanks for watching, and happy visualizing.